Hello viewers, welcome to our new video. We're so glad you're here and we hope you'll learn something valuable today to help you take control of your finances. Today we will talk about how much should you save to retire. Imagine this. You're 65 years old, sitting on a beach with a cool drink in your hand. The sun is setting and you're completely at peace because you never have to worry about money again. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream can be your reality. But let me tell you about someone I met, John. John was 40 when he realized he hadn't saved enough for retirement. He'd spent most of his life living paycheck to paycheck, thinking, I will save later. Now, at 65, instead of enjoying his golden years, he's still working 9 to 5. What about you? Are you on track for retirement? Don't worry if you're not sure, because in today's video, we're going to figure it out together. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how much you need to save and how to get started, no matter your age. And stick around because I will share one simple rule that makes saving for retirement a lot easier. Let's start with why this is so important. Did you know that the average person spends 20-30 years in retirement? That's nearly a third of your life. But here is the thing. Most people are not prepared. According to a recent study, nearly 1 in 3 Americans have less than $5,000 saved for retirement. Think about it. $5,000 might not even cover a year of rent, let alone 20 years of expenses. Planning for retirement is not just about money. It's about peace of mind. It's about living life on your terms without worrying about bills piling up. Now let's answer the big question, how much should you save? Experts say you will need 70% to 80% of your annual income each year in retirement. If you earn $50,000 a year, that's about $35,000 to $40,000 per year. But this depends on your lifestyle. If you plan to travel or have medical expenses, you might need more. Let's calculate for 20 years. Say you need $40,000 annually. Multiply that by 20 years, that's $800,000. But what if you don't have that much time to save? Don't worry, start where you are. Even small steps can make a big difference over time. Let's make this more personal. Grab a pen and paper or open a notes app. Write down these 3 things. Your current age. The age you want to retire. How much you spend in a year. Now let's do a quick calculation together. Subtract your current age from your retirement age. That's how many years you have to save. Next, multiply your annual expenses by the number of years you will spend in retirement. That's your savings target. For example, if you're 30 and want to retire at 65, you have 35 years to save. If your retirement will last 20 years and you need $40,000 annually, you'll need $800,000. Breaking it down makes it less scary, right? Imagine this. You save $200 a month starting at age 25 and invest it with an average return of 7% annually. By the time you're 65, you'll have over $500,000. Let's talk about the secret weapon for saving, compound interest. Now, if you wait until 40 to start saving the same $200 a month, you'll only have about $150,000 by 65. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Even small amounts can make a big difference if you give it time. If you are starting later in life, don't worry. It's never too late. Here's what you can do. Increase your savings rate. Instead of saving 10 to 15%, aim for 20 to 30% of your income if possible. Delay retirement. Every extra year you work gives you more time to save and less time to spend your savings. Downsize. Consider reducing your expenses now to free up more money for savings. Remember, any step forward is progress. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on what you can do today. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes people make. Relying solely on Social Security. Social Security alone won't be enough. On average, it replaces only about 40% of your pre-retirement income. Not adjusting for inflation. The cost of living increases over time. $1 today won't buy as much in 20 years. Ignoring healthcare costs. Healthcare is one of the biggest expenses in retirement, so factor it into your plan. Let's revisit the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. Here's a challenge for you. For 1 month, try saving just 1% more of your income. If you're saving 5%, bump it to 6%. You'll be surprised how quickly small changes add up. Now that you know how much you need to save, it's time to take action. Start small, but start today. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement account. Even $50 a month can grow into something significant over time. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Picture yourself on that beach, stress-free and financially secure. You can make it happen. If you found this video helpful, share and subscribe for more simple financial tips. Let's build a secure future together.